in, and we have a coach that's going to come in right now and bring the team in, Coach. Okay, I'm going to introduce the coach who's going to kind of give us an update. Missy Feuerbach, it's all yours.
He just wanted me to tell our team story a little bit. So, starting this season, we knew that we had a chance to get to state. We were two runs away last year from getting to state, and we had just about the same team. So we knew we really had a chance, but we kind of took a different team mentality this year. Instead of focusing on state every single game, we focused on one game at a time. Pre-season, with lifting, conditioning, batting, all of those good things, we had about 9 to 10 consistent girls showing up, and we did not know how many girls we were going to have for this season. We probably knew early on we didn't have enough to field the JV team, and we thought we would end up maybe with 12 girls if we were lucky. Turns out we got 14. So we were small but mighty. We really worked on trying to prevent injury and trying to be efficient throughout this year. So we didn't have 3-hour practices. We kept our practices to about an hour and a half. We really focused on quality over quantity. And we really tried to have fun. I mean, we tried to keep it light, keep it loose, and we knew that when we were having fun, we played better. So that was kind of our goal all season, and it seemed to work for us. So, thank you.
I'm going to quickly read this in. I'm going to have our whole council come down if you guys don't mind, and they're. I hope they're as excited as I am to come down and have their pictures taken with the state champions.
Absolutely. Mayor, can you bring the city attorney down, who's a Hoover grad?
Yeah. Wow. All right. All right, our special certificate of special recognition. The City of Des Moines issues this certificate of special recognition to the Hoover girls softball team, Class 4A state softball champion winners, and head coach Missy Feuerbach. The Hoover girls softball team held off ADM of Adel to win the Class 4A state softball championship on July 20th, 2018. The Huskies beat defending champion Winterset in regional play. Next, they knocked off second-seeded Charles City in the state quarterfinal. One of our former employees, by the way, would feel bad about that. She was a Charles City grad, and too bad she moved away. So. Then they beat Sergeant Bluffs of Luton in a semifinal, and ADM, which was ranked number 2 overall in 4A, and Hoover was unranked all season. It was an unlikely run for the Huskies, who couldn't count on all the past successes. However, Hoover's 14 players team beat ADM of Adel 8-3 to win the Class 4A state softball championship, and the players and staff all worked so hard and persevered all through the season towards this accomplishment. The City of Des Moines joins in recognizing and congratulating the Hoover girls softball team for your 4A girls state softball championship, and we are presenting this on the 23rd day of July 2018. And I want to say to each and every one of you that this will be something you're just thinking this is like today. But 20 years from now, you're going to look back and say, it seemed like yesterday. Congratulations. Let's get the girls in here kind of tight, and then we'll get behind you, because a couple of us are tall. Take my hand. We don't have enough girls on.
Girls, we gotta get a little bit more sense.
There we go.
How are we, Amanda?
We're doing well.
One more.
I think the attorney.
Really? Congratulations.